Hi guys, it's Ray. So a little birdie told me that Michael's has grab boxes today, so I'm gonna head in, see if they have any. I'm gonna grab two because I don't really need a lot of random stuff. But I've never had a Michael's close enough when they did the grab boxes to actually get one. And rumor had it, at least at my store, you were getting a free jar candle with a grab box purchase. So we'll see. I will come back out. If I get any, I will show you my cart. And then we will head home and open them after I go do some grocery getting. Yay! So I'm headed in. Okay, so I'm home. They were in fact giving a free jar candle with every grab box. So if you got one grab box, you got one candle, two. If you're somebody that bought 4 or 6 or whatever. I don't know if all the stores were doing this or they just had so many summer scents left over that they didn't want to put them all in grab boxes. So I just told them to grab me 2 out of the cart that were fruity scented. So I got one that is juicy mango. I know a lot of people hate mango. I actually like mango. And then this one is vanilla peach tea. I don't really burn candles, so my boyfriend is pretty sensitive to scents. And they also had these, like, the jar candles were on sale too for $7 or $7.50 or something. So I guess if you look at it that way, that's $7.50 of the $20 in boxes immediately. A lot of ours you could see inside. I tried to avoid the ones that I could see a lot of kids' toys on top of. They pretty much all have floral poking out of the box somewhere. Some of them were extremely light and you could tell they were all florals. Some of them had like summer picks sticking out, watermelons and pineapples and stuff, but I didn't really, not picks, but like yard stake picks. And I didn't really want any of those. So I went with one box that was pretty heavy and one's a little bit lighter, but I didn't pick any of the ones that I knew were going to be just solid floral. So I got that one, and then this one's a little bit heavier and kind of falling apart a little bit on me. So I'm going to sit on the floor and we're going to go through these. So don't mind my background. And yeah, a lot of florals right on top, but I do occasionally do crafts that require some florals. Not all that often, but I will just put these in my bin of florals. So this one says spring. This one was originally $12.99 and it just says it's a bush. So, I mean, this one, if somebody went in there and bought it at regular price, was already the cost of the box. This is just some reedy looking, almost like the leaves of the lilies. $16.99. So, a pride flag. These are some red, white, and boom napkins. These were $5.99. The flag was $5.99 also. Sorry, I forgot to look. And just more like reedy looking. These ones are kind of cute. $4.99 for this stem. Some florals. I'm just going to go through the florals. I'm not going to tell you every single price because we'll be here all day. Some of them are duplicates, some of them are different. But like I said, I don't do a ton of florals, but I do like ones like this for some of my signs and things where I put like one flower on. I don't intend to be making a lot of signs anymore because I don't currently have an outlet for them, but it is what it is. There is some different stuff under these florals, so this is really pretty. A nice little wisteria type bush. This one was $14.99. This I like. This I may actually hang over the window right in my craft room. And another little floral with a baby monstera leaf on it. This is a big old vine that is Forsythia wound into the vine. If you know me, which most of you don't know me, I absolutely hate Forsythia. Yeah, Forsythia garland. This was $39.99. I don't hate it, but it is my least favorite bush. Let's just put it that way. When I first moved out to this area, we rented, and our backyard had this Forsythia bush that was like, it literally took up half of the yard, and I fought that thing back for 10 years. So, all right, now I'm into the other stuff. This is a really pretty vase. It's kind of almost greenish towards the bottom. This was originally $22.99. Just says it's a glass cylinder. So that's pretty. Oh, I have one more floral type thing. These I like. These I would use on something. They are plasticky feeling, but these are actually good for fall too. I feel like these, yeah, this does say for fall decor. Cream wheat, $7.99. So I don't know if this was from this fall and it just kind of snuck away from them. My store, I don't even remember if it was open last fall, so I'm almost going to have to say this is new stock, but I could be wrong. And I have a mug with an O on it. Yeah, price tag's ripped off the bottom, so whatever. And I have this little, I'm going to call it a vessel. It's white and it has a little gold trim. It does have a little chip at the bottom, but this is something you could use to put some florals or decor or something in. Probably not something I would ever use. And this box does have 2 candles in the bottom. So we got another vanilla peach tea. And this one is a different color. This is pineapple guava. Oh wait, there's one more candle I can see. These all smell great. I'll probably just rotate through a little piece of the Forsythia. I'll probably just rotate through and keep them open in the craft room. I have 2 heart floral forms. These are $6.99 each. It's a 3-piece set. So it's all 3 different sizes. So those are kind of cute. And then I have 3 sets of these. No, 4 sets, excuse me. 2 different sizes of heart baskets. So I have 4 of each. I don't know what I would do with those. So ideas would be welcome. This is just a little rogue piece of a plant. But yeah, there's the other ones of those. And this one is a lemonade stand, this candle. Decent, but I think I like the others better. And then I have 4 rolls of 4th of July wired ribbon. 2 different flags. And 2 with the, I'd say little red truck, but they're little blue trucks in this case, and stars. And these were originally, no idea. Doesn't tell me. But they are 2.5 inches by 25 feet. And not a one of them has the price tag on it, but they're expensive ribbons to put that out there. I'm going to kind of repack this box. Probably not very well. And pull the second one in. Well, this has some different flower stuff on top, that's for sure. So I have these. These are actually made to hang just like this. So there's 2 of those. And then I have two of these. Well, no, one of these and one of these. This is, this almost looks like something that should be in a underwater. So that is it for floral on top of this one. I have a ton in here of this reindeer moss, which was $6.99 a bag. So I have one purple, one red, two red, three red, this blue. I have a ton of. I may find a place to de-stash some of this because these are probably worth something to somebody. But more of the blue, a purple, another purple, which is darker, more of the aqua green, I should be saying lavender and purple because these are two very distinct purples. Green. My first candle of this box. This is another lemonade stand and another lemonade stand and another lemonade stand. So, back to these. Red, yellow, yellow, purple, and this must be the one that the topper came from. More purple. So, I will put that top back on there. So, there's a lot of letters in the bottom of this box. Very interesting box. This is a silicone trivet mat in the shape of a daisy. And this was $4.99. So this you could put on your counter or whatever and put something warm on top of it. The back is completely smooth. So I'd probably bring that to the camper. And I have two of this sign that says, "Let's Get Away." This was originally $19.99. Yeah, two of those. And then I have I'm pretty sure this says Boss. $12.99 tabletop decor. Yeah, it says Boss. In black. It's kind of cute, actually. I think there's another one of these under all of these random letters. Oh, it's broken, so no. The second one is garbage. This is, I don't even know. It just says tabletop decor, $12.99. Spring. I think it was supposed to be a lowercase j. Maybe. I don't know. But I have a whole bunch of these kind of peachy colored H's. So, and these were originally $14.99. I may have been reading you the Canadian prices on half of this stuff. Sometimes they're side by side and sometimes they're top and bottom. But I have a whole bunch of H's. If anybody's in need of an H, I have 4. I have nobody that needs an H in my household. I have a 1 or an L. I don't know. Because this style is lower cases. So I would say probably an L in this case. And this would go with that as a J. That would make sense. So in those, I also have a T, a D, and an R, which honestly, these two I might just keep. because they would fit in my own household because we are an R and a D. So, and then back to these. I don't even know what these are made of. They're kind of a weird composite. But they say Summer Fair was the line for these. So I have 2 capital E's. And then I have a T. Oh, I found a lowercase t. And then I just have a couple more of these. I have a yellow B. This one I'm going to see if my sister wants because she has a gallery wall full of bees. And then I have an L and a D. So that was everything in this box. Kind of crazy. I'm definitely going to see if I can find a way to destash these. I'm basically keeping four things out of this, and the candles. And the little trivet I'm going to keep. And in that first box, I'll probably keep that cylinder vase because that's something that would be way too hard to ship. But this was fun. Let me see if any of my like camper friends want these as camper decor. Yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you grab boxes from Michael's, let me know if you've gotten any and gotten anything good or gotten things that you really didn't want. I feel like I should have picked up one of the ones that had the toys in it just to see what else was in there, because I could see in most of them there was one of the little circle trays with the handle in it that would have been good for like the camper for like the salts and peppers and condiments and stuff, but I really didn't want to have to deal with the kids' toys, which is kind of dumb because I know enough people that have small kids that camp with them that, but I don't know that I'm going to feel like going back tomorrow for more boxes, but if I do, I will let you know and I will show you what I got in those ones. So that is it. Thank you, and I will see you next time.